We're a steel fabrication company. We're based in Naas, County Kildare, Nugent Manufacturing. We're involved mainly in the construction industry, so it's one of the industries that had a ferocious pounding. So we're coming out of it bit by bit at the moment. I don't know whether it was brilliant business sense or lean manufacturing, but we certainly started watching everything that we were doing. The lean manufacturing we brought in, which was to reduce waste. Steel, everybody thinks of it as a dirty business. It's actually one of the greenest businesses because steel as a product is the most highly recycled. 80% plus of steel is recycled. So on top of that, we actually reduced our own waste that was going to recycling by the software that we use, which is 3D modelling, and then we use nesting software. It's an optimizer which allows us to reduce our offcuts to as small as possible. It obviously worked because the one question that our auditors asked us this year was to explain how our turnover had gone up, but our cost of materials, our quantity of materials we used throughout the year had gone down, giving us a 24% variance between it. You know, that's just huge. So it works, it does work. And everything else, you know, our labour costs, as a result of better cutting patterns, our energy costs, they nosedived. Again, because everything is done in a controlled way. Well, there's new regulations that have come in, the CE marking, which actually this morning we got our certificates for CE marking and ISO. It's the regulations in the industry. It's actually law since July of last year. It's complete traceability, which again, in line with our lean manufacturing, everything has to be traceable. So anything any offcuts you book them back into stock and they're identified, and you can legally use them again because you can trace them back. So for us, going forward, hopefully it makes us a leaner company, it makes us more competitive and more work.